Alright, y'all, we're back with the project of the week. Project Japanese K-Truck. Been sitting for probably about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8. Somewhere around them joints and jankos. So I got the fuel pump. I think it's going to mount right there where it is right now. A little shiny thing. That fuel line doesn't fit on there. So I went and cut a chunk off of the old JMC and take some fuel line off her. And that sucker's pretty damn dry too. So I'm gonna set you guys down for a second here. The junky little bed of the truck. I'm gonna try to put this thing on real quick, see if it's gonna work. Here we go. So this one did fit on the K-Truck itself, but it wouldn't fit on the fuel pump line. I found this one. Damn, this sucker's so stiff. Alright, where's my little hose clamps? Put that puppy on before I slide it on. That one will fit on there. Some of this junk over. Maybe you guys can see something. All kinds of sticks and stuff. Like I said, I used to use this truck to run back and forth from the front of the property to the back. The tools, parts, whatever I needed, whatever I was working on at the time. Scoot y'all down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going on that. You guys see where I put the fuel line right there. Skirt. I'm hoping this is the fuel line to the carburetor. I think it is. I followed it back to the tank the other day. So we finna find out. Sucker even closing? I hear that little click. Sometimes when it's clicking, that sucker's stripped out off in there. Oh no, there we go. Fuel line which way I need it, right there, I guess. Okay, that should be tight enough. Like I said, this is just to get it to the front, y'all. And I'm hoping this little fuel pump thing, so I'm gonna do, just slice that sucker back right here. I guess I'll just clip it right there. Damn, that shit is dry. This side's a little thicker, so I might not need a hose clamp for this second. If I can even get it on there. That's the problem I had with the other hose. And this sucker's so dry, I hope it don't split. Oh shit, it's on there. Y'all gonna laugh at my little gas tank I made for this puppy too. I should see if this thing's, the fuel pump's even cut on. I'm doing all this and didn't even test the fuel pump. Okay, so this is the ground, I believe. I hope. That's the ground. This one's the hot. Sucker open, wide open, too bare. And I gotta put it there to catch a fire. Arc out on the body or something crazy. Okay, that sucker's on. Let's hear if this fuel pump kicks. Okay, where's it hot? Uh-oh. No juices, this bud. I don't hear nothing. Alright. Maybe that fuel pump's no good. Or maybe I have to run a ground off. I thought the body would ground it. Guess not. No, we'll just pull that sucker up real quick and I'll tap it. Damn, I got no wire out here. Let's try to take this self-topper out real quick. Now we'll see if I have to. I'm gonna have to run a ground wire to it. No, though. No, that battery's hot. I think. I ain't heard nothing. What's up with that? Damn. That's why that fuel pump was off in there then. Some bitch don't work. Do I got another fuel pump anywhere else? I got a Holly, but that thing just flood this thing out in 1 second. Son of a biscuit. Let me read this thing. What does it say on it? It says 12 volt, negative ground. Some bitch is grounded. Going down. I'm over messing with this battery, all what I'm doing. Seeing why this fuel pump. You hit that fuel pump to the ground, that sucker should just buzz right on. This is something. You know what? Sometimes these suckers get stuck. Especially no telling how old this damn thing is. Let's see. Nope. Nada. Damn it. That's why you test the damn stuff before you go to use it. Alright, back to the drawing board, y'all. I gotta go find another fuel pump. One of the little small ones. I had a little Mr. Gasket somewhere. I don't know where it is. You know what? Did I have one on this truck before? A little tiny fuel pump. Yeah, that sucker's toast. No way that thing's gonna work. I don't know. Let's see. I think that's a little Mr. Gasket fuel pump or something. Let's see if this thing even cuts on. Better days, better days. Okay. A little. Damn. What's the wheel cut on? Let's see. Makes it noise. Nada. Man, unless this damn battery's dead. Let me turn this key and see if it makes any noise. Yeah, that battery ain't dead. Damn it. Well, y'all, stay tuned on the K-Truck build. To be continued. Stay alert, stay alive. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.